Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the I try to live in black and white but I'm so blue TikTok trend. So let's get started. So first things first, you're going to need to click on the link that is in the description of this video. And once you tap on that link, you'd be redirected to Chrome and you'd be met with the template that you need. So once you have the template, you'd simply need to click on use template in Capcut and you'd be redirected to Capcut. Now at this point, you'd be required to select 4 photos from your gallery. And once you've selected the 4 photos that you want for this trend, you would then need to go ahead and tap on preview. Now once you click on preview, the trend will automatically be generated for you without any adjustments required. And once you're satisfied with the images you've chosen, you could simply go ahead and click on export and you'd have the option to save this video to your device with the Capcut watermark, or you could go ahead and save it and share to TikTok without the Capcut watermark. But that's pretty much the end of the video. So if you guys found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.